Hi guys, you're welcome back to Naija News and Entertainment. Regina Daniels speak the oath she took never to sleep with another man except her husband. Popular Nollywood actress Regina Daniels has been repeatedly vilified by all and sundry over her marriage to billionaire businessman and lawyer Prince Ned Nwoko, who is 40 years older than her. And people's shock over the marriage heightened after the then teenager, now 20 years, was initiated into the billionaire's traditional cult for women, the Anyocha Women's Group, which is presumed to keep a woman away from ever marrying another man or engaging in any extramarital or face some dire consequences. Here's her response to questions sent to her in Dubai through her media manager, shedding light on the initiation and other intimate things about her husband and life. She was asked, You, Regina Daniels, was initiated into a nurture women's cult. What does it entail? She responded, First of all, I will not call it an initiation. It is more like being welcome to womanhood and for you to be a part of that group. It's an elite group. You must be married and be a woman of substance. I will say I'm even privileged to be part of that group. As a billionaire's wife, do you still play with your age mates? She replied, Well, I've never actually liked hanging out with my age mates. I go for people that are far older than me so I could learn something from them, or people who are below so I could teach them something, and being married to my husband hasn't stopped me from relating with those people. What do you love most about your husband, Ned Nwoko? She replied, His honesty. He is the most honest person I've ever met. In short, I love his honesty. What's the next level for you, Regina Daniels, as an actress? She said business, producing, directing, and of course, Hollywood. What are the things marriage has robbed you of? She replied, I can't think of anything because when I was single, my life was always about acting, schooling, and I didn't have time for a party. But now I'm married, I can go for parties. I can even say I'm more privileged to have more opportunities now to do things than when I was single. Can you, Regina Daniels, leave acting at the interest of your husband? She replied, The question is, will he ask me to leave acting? First of all, I never thought about that. And the man I married will never ask me to leave what I love. Okay guys, you've heard it all from Regina Daniels. Share your comments in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.